Hey everybody, I'm Dave from Dinner with Dave and welcome back to this new series. How to make something quick. Yes, it's gonna be a short video and for today we're gonna make a macaroni pasta and it's from culinary school so everybody can make it. Let's jump in. So we're gonna weigh everything, turn it on. We're gonna start off with 200 grams of elbow macaroni. Or a little bit more. That's 200 grams. Gonna add a little bit of salt. That's part one. Then we're gonna take the paprika. We're gonna cut the paprika in really small pieces. In the meanwhile, put the water boiler on. Add the paprika to the pan with macaroni. 2 eggs also in there. Fill it up with water. Put it on the stove for about 10 minutes until the mac is ready and preparations are done.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
In the meanwhile, we can work on the mise en place. Everything gonna be weighed. About 160 gram gherkin. That's about 160 gram. Same amount on mushrooms in a can, full bottle. We're gonna chop it up. Chop, 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 chop. One onion, so 160. Young cheese, 80 grams. About 80 grams. And I've got 150 grams of ham. Just use whatever you like. Also, chop it finely.
Many tic tacs later.
4 big tablespoons of mayonnaise. 4. Some extra salt, pepper. Give it a good old stir. In the meanwhile, the eggs and the mac are ready. Let it cool down and let this sit in your fridge.
346 minutes later.
Now when everything's cooled down, we're gonna add the macaroni and paprika. Mix it all up. And of course we need to give it a little taste. Now as you can see, it's all nicely mixed up. All the macaroni is covered with some of the mayonnaise. Let's grab ourselves something to taste. You always want to taste, you never know if you need more salt, need more pepper, that kind of stuff. So those flavors. Well, before I'm gonna prepare the plate, We're gonna put it into the fridge for a little while so you're sure it's nicely cold, and just when you need it, you can use it. Next step, making up the plate. Get it in the middle of the plate. Rest it up. Pickles. So as you have seen, it doesn't have to be hard to make. It's really nice, everybody likes it, and it's nice to prepare a day before you're having a barbecue, or if you don't have time the next day to make it as a dinner. Yes, easy, nice dish. This was Dave from Dinner with Dave. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow me on Facebook, follow me on Instagram, and we're gonna see each other next week. Bye bye.